Hello, family. Today we're going to make applesauce bundt cake with caramel icing. Come join me. All right, we're going to get this started. We're going to do the best we can today because I have another day of this. The sky is falling for Chicken Little again. The ice is falling off the house. So she's at my feet. But we will do our best. We will do our best here with her at our feet. You're okay, baby girl. It's just the ice is finally melting. We want that. I fell on the ice in my driveway yesterday. Not good. But you know what? My body heals very quickly, so we're going to start with 3 cups of flour, applesauce bundt cake with caramel frosting. I have the oven on 350. I probably already said that. And I sprayed my bundt pan. So we're going to start with the 3 cups of flour. Yeah, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I can honestly say I am tired of chocolate for a little bit here because of all the Christmas goodies. So I wanted something, a dessert, but something more mellow. So with the flour, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. There we go. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I'm getting to the bottom here on my baking soda too. It's okay, baby girl. It's just ice. It's just the ice. It's falling off the roof. We don't want ice on our roof, so everything's melting off the roof. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. But you know what? That's winter. We have winters here in Minnesota. And you deal with it. And I still say this cold weather preserves us. Okay, 2.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. We're putting all the dries together here. 1, 2.5. Okay. Cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm not a fan of nutmeg, but the recipe calls for it. So 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. There we go. And 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Okay, 1 1/2 cups of sugar. All right, now I'm going to mix these together here so they're good and mixed. Is that a good camera view? I've been having trouble with my cameras lately. But we're just doing the best we can here. And that's all that's important, is you try your best. And have fun doing it. It's just another day and another journey. And today's journey is applesauce bundt cake. Okay, we got that mixed up. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of oil. Every time I move, I'm stepping on her tail. Poor thing. She's like right under my feet. And we're going to add 4 eggs. I was actually supposed to add, I got to add the applesauce too. But I'm going to mix this up. I'm doing it kind of backwards. But that's me. I like to do things backwards. I'm going to add 2.5 cups of applesauce. Because I was supposed to mix the dries and then in a separate bowl mix all the wets and put them together, but shortcut. All right, that's good. And we got that part done. Now we're going to pour it into the Bundt pan here. We're going to bake this for 50 to 60 minutes until a cake tester or toothpick comes out clean. I am going to do this though. Try to get rid of bubbles. All right, we'll be back when it's out of the oven. Okay, this was in about 55 minutes. And I've got, one of these. You can use a toothpick. You can use a knife, whatever you want. Let's see, I go down there. Comes out clean. Okay. So this is done. Now we're going to let it cool a few minutes before I invert it onto a cake plate. And then we got to let it cool completely before we frost it. All right, that slid right out. That's really nice. See, now we're going to let this cool completely and then we're going to glaze it. Okay, we're going to do the glaze. We're going to turn it on medium until the butter melts. Let me check the... We're going to add... It's 1/2 cup or 1 stick of butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar packed, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Okay. Now, right now I have it on medium heat, just until the butter melts. Then we're going to turn it up to medium high. Okay, I'm going to turn it up to medium high, and then we're going to let it come to a boil. And then we're going to let it boil for 1 minute. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to let it boil for 1 minute. Keep stirring it. The plow just went by because it's like 37 degrees, so the ice is soft enough for them to go by with the plow to loosen that ice that was on our road. Now we got little chunks of ice at the end of our driveway that I guess we have a winter storm coming in tomorrow, so up to 8 inches apparently. All right, the edges are coming to a boil, but we want it in a full boil. Okay, now we're going to stir it for 1 minute. I'm going to turn this loud thing on. We're going to let it, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. And then when this is done, when we're done with this, we're going to set it aside and let it cool for a couple minutes. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take it off the heat and let it cool for a couple minutes. And it'll get thicker. All right. We're just going to drizzle this over here. Yummy, yummy. I'm just going to put a little bit of nuts on top like this. Okay, that's it, folks. Look at how good that looks. I'm going to cut it now, and we're going to have a bite. Okay, let's try this. And try a little piece here at the end. Really moist. Really good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Very good. And I can't taste the whole teaspoon of nutmeg, which makes me happy. Thanks for joining me today. And we'll see you again sometime soon for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.